Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi. Now today's video is going to be a slightly different one because I want to talk about import duty, and specifically import duty from packages that I get sent from the US. Now obviously it's really kind that people take the time to send me packages, and I'm always more than welcome to accept sort of donations, but over the last few years I've sort of mentioned a few times how awkward and how annoying it is getting stuff from the US, mainly because every time it sort of comes to the UK I get charged a fee for them to be delivered to me, and it doesn't seem to matter what I do, I just can't stop the sort of UK Border Force seem to charge me. Now obviously these are things that are sent as gifts, and on the import duty form you can actually mark that the item is a gift. I have an import duty form here that was on from this package, and you can see up in this little corner it has been ticked gift, and the value of this item is under $20. So that apparently is enough for this package to get through UK customs without me being charged, or you would have thought so, because actually on this package I have been charged, and you can see here I've been charged a VAT rate. They charged me £9.29 in VAT plus an £8 handling fee. So to actually get this package it has cost me £17.29, even though this has been marked as a gift and has been very kindly sent to me. So I'm actually going to fight this one. Normally I just don't bother, because trying to fight the HMRC here in the UK is a bit of a thankless task, but this one has really infuriated me because it's a very kind sort of donation. Actually I've yet to open it, so I don't know what's inside it. I'll do that in a separate video, but it's just frustrating that you know, to get a gift from someone I've actually been charged almost £20 to get it, even though it has been marked correctly. So I'm now going through the whole process of trying to get a refund on this, and again they don't make it easy. You have a set of forms to fill in. I'm going to show you the forms, but I will blur this out. So here is the form. It's quite a big long form, an A4 sheet. It doesn't actually allow you to give that much information. They just want your name, you know, phone numbers, the package information, and you have to include all of these things, the bits of paper and stuff, and the charge form, and then send that off to HMRC, and you just have to wait and see. So I'm going to send all of this in. I've actually written a covering letter as well to explain, because I think they think I'm a business because this has been sent to toy-polloi, and I'm not a business. I am an individual who just happens to run a YouTube channel, so people know me as toy-polloi. So I'm going to write that all in a letter, and I'm going to send that off, and basically I think it's going to be a case of just waiting. It probably will take months and months, and I would almost guarantee that they will not refund this. There'll be some weird clause that they can say that this is, you know, a legitimate charge because it's, you know, some, I don't know, some rubbish. But I just thought it would be interesting to try and fight this and sort of document how it all goes, because as I say, it's very nice for people to sort of send stuff in and help out with projects, because really a lot of the projects I do on this channel are donations from sort of fellow viewers and people who just would like to see these toys sort of covered and repaired on this channel. So as it stands, I'm going to send this letter off with all the information that they've requested, and we'll just wait and see what happens. So join me in a few seconds for you, but it will probably be a few months for me, and we'll find out whether I was successful in getting a refund on this package.
P-O-Y P-O-L-L-O-I.
Well, hello and welcome back. It's now a month later, and I've just received a letter from the British Border Force with some details inside, and let's have a quick look, and I will read you what they've said because it's actually pretty interesting. On the top here it says, "Dear Sir, thank you for your correspondence regarding the customs charges raised on your parcel. For general information on why taxes are collected on goods imported by post, please see Annex A at the end of this letter." So it's got a little bump from the back. "But from the information you have now supplied, I've decided that your parcel qualified for full relief from duty and VAT at import. I am therefore arranging for a refund of the sum of £9.29 to be made payable to you." So that's good. That's great. That means they were wrong. And I see at the bottom here it also says that they're going to refund the fee they charge, so I'm going to get the full money back. This is actually quite a surprise to me, because previously when I've tried to get refunds it's never worked, but on this instance they have decided that I was right and they were wrong, and they've given me a full refund. So if this happens to you, I would say it's worth querying it, because it clearly is a mistake on their part. And I would say this was a very clear mistake, because 2 days after I got this package and was charged import duty, I received 2 other packages from the US. You can see here, I'm going to just hide bits of them, but this one here says toy parts quantity and has got the low value on it. That one got through with no charge whatsoever. I have another one here, same thing, from the US, low value, marked as gift. All of these have been marked as gift, and both of those got through. So this clearly was a mistake on the import duty or the Border Force's part. So I would say if this happens to you, it's always going to be worth having a query, because you just never know. You might be able to fight the system and get your money back. Clearly in this instance they did make a mistake, as I have other packages that I approved. That's actually why I was keeping these, because if they ever said that this wasn't right, I was going to start sending these in and say, well, you've let other things through, so why not this one? But in this instance I feel I have won, and that's really cheered me up. I've not beaten the system, but I've proved the system was flawed in this instance. So I hope this video has been of interest to you, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.